There was a girl named Hira. She wasn't unhappy, but she wasn't proud of her life either. Every day felt the same. Scrolling on her phone the moment she woke up, skipping breakfast, rushing through work, and ending the night wondering why nothing ever changed. One evening, while talking to her older cousin, she said, "I don't know how to change my life. Everything feels too big." Her cousin smiled gently and replied, "Then don't change everything. Change one thing." Hira frowned. "One thing? That doesn't do anything." But her cousin shook her head. A life doesn't change with big moves. It changes with one small decision repeated. That night, Hira wrote down, "My one change, no phone in the morning. Just one rule, one decision, one change." The next morning, she woke up and didn't touch her phone. She sat quietly for a moment and drank a glass of water. It felt strange, but peaceful. Day 2, still no phone. She stretched for 2 minutes. Day 3, she went for a short morning walk. Day 5, she started journaling her thoughts. Day 10, she cooked a simple breakfast. Day 15, she added her second tiny habit, one bottle of water before noon. Nothing dramatic, nothing overwhelming, just one small improvement leading to another. Her mornings began to feel clearer, her mind calmer, her energy better, her confidence growing. One day, Hira looked at herself in the mirror and realized she had become someone new. Not because she changed her whole life, but because she honored one change every single day. Weeks later, her cousin asked, "So did one change really make a difference?" Hira smiled and replied, "One change didn't change my life. It started the chain of changes that did."